How far a man can go in search of water. It's a narrow passage and I can't even stand fully. Hey guys, welcome to Desi Girl Traveler and welcome to yet another episode. I have reached Kerala. I'm surrounded by such tall trees, so much greenery around me. तो मैं आपको बता दूं मैं कहाँ हूँ. I am at a village in Kerala. This is called Parappa village and this is in Kasaragod district. So I have covered almost all parts of Kerala by now. Northern Kerala में मैंने पिछले साल खय्यम अटेंड किया था कन्नूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. Kasaragod is very close to Kannur and I really wanted to come here and experience the village life. मुझे गांव घूमना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है and I'm sure आप लोगों को अब तक पता चल ही गया होगा. पहले मैं आपको बता दूं मैं यहाँ पे पहुँची कैसे. From Madikeri I took a bus this morning, like early morning around 6 o'clock. I took a KSRTC bus and I reached this place called Sulya in Karnataka, and from there this travel company called Let's Go for Camp, they sent a car for me और उस कार में ही बैठ के मैं सुलिया से यहाँ तक आई हूँ जिसकी जर्नी में मुझे almost 2 hours लगे. So I'm going to be in this village and the nearby villages for the next 3 days and I'm going to be experiencing the traditional village life of Keralites in this particular region. मैं जा रही हूँ एक बहुत ही अनोखी सी जगह पे अभी. This place is called Banam Farm Family Home. Namaste. Namaste. Thank you.
नमस्ते.
Namaste. I got हिंदी आती है?
हिंदी नहीं.
नहीं हिंदी नहीं, इंग्लिश नहीं. It's okay, हम समझ जाएंगे. Like we will understand anyway. So I drink it directly.
Okay.
This is an experience. I've never tried coconut water like this. This is such a luxury. Pehle we had coconut water, fresh coconut water. Then this fresh coconut. And I really don't know if I have said this before, but coconut is my most favorite fruit. और हमारे साइड पे ये इतना महंगा मिलता है. अच्छा मिल भी जाए तो I don't know how to break it and eat it like this. This banana is also from the trees here. This is steamed banana. Yeah, this is called kachil and it's like tapioca. So I'm gonna try this with this chutney. It's made of onion and chili. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit here. Oh, I love chili and any chili that gives me that kick, that bullet kick, I love it. It's really tasty. So this one does not have any taste of its own, I believe, but if you have it with the chutney, good. मुझे ना ये विलेज वाला एक्सपीरियंस हर जगह इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आता है. यहाँ पे देखो, there is this jackfruit, okay, कटहल और इन्होंने ना हुक बनाई है, DIY हुक. Can I do that? Yeah. आज तक पेड़ से कटहल तोड़ा है, अभी दिखाती हूँ. How do we do this? Okay. छोटा.
Okay.
Oh yes! Superb! I did that.
Super.
See, my aim was so good. I was able to chop off this jackfruit from the tree. So look at this house, traditional house. This is how a traditional Kerala house looks like in this region. They have lots of pillars and this for ventilation purpose. This reminds me of childhood. मेरे घर पे भी होता था एक ऐसे, हम इसको चौकी बोलते हैं अपने लैंग्वेज में. So after having all those steamed bananas, tapioca, jackfruit, etc., मैं आपको अब वो दिखाने जा रही हूँ जिसके लिए मैं इस गांव में आई हूँ. So इस गांव में बारिश बहुत होती थी पुराने टाइम पे, तो 6 महीने बारिश और 6 महीने बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी. And this entire region used to be forest in the past. A few families came here and they started growing betel nuts and they had paddy fields. एक्सेट्रा. उन चीज़ों के लिए पानी की ज़रूरत होती थी और इनके पास पानी सफिशिएंट था नहीं, क्योंकि 6 महीने बारिश होती थी और 6 महीने बारिश नहीं होती थी उन टाइम पे. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ स्लोप एरिया. तो स्लोप एरिया में क्या होता है ना कि पानी रेन वाटर जो होता है कहीं जाके स्टोर होता है. तो यहाँ के लोगों ने शुरू किया ढूंढना कि ये पानी आखिर स्टोर कहाँ पे हुआ है. एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड डिगिंग द माउंटेन्स in order to reach the place where water was stored naturally. And this entire thing what they dug is called suranga. हिंदी में भी हम सुरंग कहते हैं. It's something like that and this is very unique to this Kasaragod area. There are as many as 1,000 surangas in this area and it is like 30 meter to up to a kilometer long. So अभी हम एक सुरंगा देखने के लिए जा रहे हैं. Even this water is coming out of the suranga. This is where suranga is. What do you think? How far a man can go in search of water? Come with me, I'll show you. So this is a suranga and this is a very unique kind of thing. What you see here, it's a narrow passage, suranga, and then in the end of it there is source of water. So it's 500 meter in length. Let's walk inside and see how do we feel about it. Hello. Okay, it's like a small tunnel. If you are a tall person, this can be an adventure. Bas. And you can see I can't even take a complete round. It is so narrow and I can't even stand fully. I'm 5'4" in height, this is 5'2", so you have to bend and then go inside. Okay, man. I never knew that this kind of place exists here. Can you imagine what kind of wonders human can do? Digging this place in the mountain in search of water. Khatron ke khiladi. It's deep inside, you know, up to a kilometer, but you have such surangas even of 300 meters to 500 meters to up to a kilometer. I think you can enter and you can take it as per your comfort. It's really adventurous thing and I enjoyed it. Like I was scared in the beginning because I feel claustrophobic, but it's not impossible kind of thing. Good one. This is how the villagers here used to get water for their daily requirements and irrigation. Now I'm taking an exit. What a brilliant experience. Perfect. I totally recommend for you guys to try this experience in Kasaragod. If you feel a little uneasy in a confined space, that it might get little tricky for you, but don't give up because I also have same sort of problem. I cannot be inside a confined space. After surviving Nepal's earthquake, I really panic a lot in this kind of situation, but still went ahead up to like 300 meter or something. So this is 500 meter in length and I was perfectly fine. See, zinda wapas aayi hu. So you saw the suranga. Now let me show you guys the man behind this concept. Okay, he is Mr. Jayakrishnan and it was his father who made this suranga. He is no more, but then he is maintaining it, right? And in this area They started tourism since 2014. Indians ज़्यादा कोई यहाँ पे आते नहीं हैं, but now you guys will come because I have already said that in the video.
Welcome to Suranga. Welcome to Kasaragod.
Wonderful experience. Came out of the Suranga and now Savita Akka is cooking jackfruit, what we had plucked from the trees. Bhindi with coconut. So here is the jackfruit, kathal. This smells so good. मैंने ना यहाँ पे फ़ोटो में एक बहुत ही अलग तरह की टोपी देखी, तो मैंने अन्ना को बोला आप मेरे लिए ऐसी टोपी बना दोगे। सुपारी के पेड़ के खाल से कुछ तो बना रहे हैं मेरे लिए। You know, when I travel like this, I feel my best. There is no agenda, there is nothing, and I experience everything what is coming my way. पहुँचे यहाँ पे, हाइक करके आई, सुरंगा देखने गई, फिर थोड़ा जंगल में भी घूमे हम, फ्रेश खाना खाया, खाना इन द सेंस कोकोनट खाया, टपियोका, banana, and now our food is being cooked like from farm to the plate, and now this experience. This is the kind of travel I love doing. All experiences. इतनी शिद्दत से किसी आदमी ने मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं बनाया है. Welcome to Kerala. We will sit on this और इस पे बैठ के कोई हमको खींचेगा. Now we are going to turn into happy kids.
Like that. See,
Okay.
wow. Lehenga super.
This is the traditional hat, DIY hat, and I'm going to do a village kind of bus ride. ये इधर बैठते हैं. I hope I'm gonna be fine today. So this is how kids used to play in the villages earlier in their childhood days. Like ये उनका बस होता था और जितने पत्ते होते थे ना वो पत्तों को coin बनाते थे. So leaves used to be the coin, this used to be the bus, and this was the bus ride. Look at my pretty DIY cap. Can you believe it? He just made it for me. It's looking really pretty. You know, village travel, it can be so much fun. Totally loved it. भूख लग रही है, खाना खाने चलते हैं. So राजीव जी है यहाँ पे जिन्होंने मेरे लिए ये कैप बनाई है. And you know why he was able to make this? Look at this. So he is the Thayyam costume designer. He makes all these attires and gears for Thayyam performers. I showed Thayyam to all of you in Kannur last year. ये बहुत अच्छा है. Very nice.
Thank you.
How do you say it in Kerala? Malayali?
Malayali.
Very nice.
Super, super.
Super. Super.
Super.
Thank you. So now the smell of food. यहाँ बिल्कुल farm to plate वाला concept है. Actually it's like a farm only, and what they have prepared. See this. This is a kind of spinach from Kerala, and this is the jackfruit जो हमने तोड़ा था. The chutney. This is kind of coconut curry. Curd curry. Curry. Yeah, this is curry. This is chana and
Kuttagari.
okay, kutta curry. There's a dish, pumpkin leaf. This is bhindi, and this rice. I absolutely love this Kerala ka rice. For me also it's going to be a new experience because until now whenever I came to Kerala, I came as a non-vegetarian. So I ate a lot of seafood here. This time I came here as a vegetarian. It's been 7 months now since I've quit eating meat. So you see, even for vegetarian people, there are plenty of options and everything, right from the plants to your plate. Cannot wait here. And then kele ke patte pe we are going to eat. When they are spreading this banana leaf, this part is always going to be on the left side. अब मैं wait नहीं कर सकती to have it with my hand. Cannot wait. Savita Akka. How happily she cooked everything. So you serve it from left to right. So this part of the leaf comes on the left side and then you have it one by one everything. I so love this rice. What a brilliant experience this entire thing has been. Like इतना कुछ करने के बाद finally केले के पत्ते पे खाने मिल गया मुझे. It's been 10 days now since I am in South, but I was in Karnataka and I was waiting to have this experience, banana leaf pe khana. And I've been such big fan of Kerala food, always said that. So if you're staying in Bangalore, you can come here for one-day experience as well. You can contact Let's Go for Camp, and half of the day you can spend here, then half of the day they can take you for hiking and all. So yeah, there's so many things to do and totally brilliant experience. But that's for Bangalore people. But apart from Bangalore, even if you're staying anywhere else in India, you can totally do this experience. Like it's not 100% traditional village, but this is very close to an authentic traditional village, because trust me, we are not 100% traditional anymore. Like in closest to traditional stuff you can experience here in Kerala. Oh God, इतना ज़्यादा खाना खा लिया कि अब मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं चलूँगी कैसे. Anyway guys, so Central Kerala हम सभी जानते हैं, हम सबको पता है कोच्चि जाना है, मुन्नार जाना है, एलेप्पी जाना है. This was my attempt to experience something offbeat. मुझे experiential travel काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है. Rather than going to all the touristy places, I prefer to indulge in the experiences. You know, एक जंगल के अंदर, literally मैं एक जंगल के अंदर हूँ. And then this kind of traditional house, छोटी सी hike की हमने, then proper यहाँ से खाना अपना तोड़ के fruits, vegetable. We got it cooked. Yeah, what else do you want? It was really a very good experience. Totally recommend, and I suggest that you all try this experience when you are coming to Kerala. And this place is so close to Bangalore. Like people don't know much about Kasaragod district, but this is heaven. Like it's so beautiful. मुझे नहीं पता video कैसी आई है, but when I'm here and I'm feeling it, experiencing it, it's really amazing. For these kind of experiences in Kerala, you can contact Let's Go for Camp. उनके साथ ही मैं यहाँ पे पहुँची हूँ, and the owner, she is a friend of mine. So this is not like a business deal I'm doing. Just recommending her work because she does some amazing travels in Kerala. So I'll put all her details in the video description below.
Very happy.
Very happy. You are very good. She is very good. All of you are very good. I'm very happy. Super.
Geetu Mohandas madam, Savita, Rajivan, they'll keep coming.
Okay. They keep coming. I'll also come again.
She come.
I'll come again. Okay. Okay, guys. Now it's time to leave, and she is Gitu.
Hi.
The one who owns Let's Go for Camp. I was telling you all just a while ago, and she is into experiential travel across South India. But I think अगर आपको केरला बहुत अच्छे से experience करना है, she is your girl. Okay. And Krishnan ji, Jai Krishnan ji, the person who owns this place and the Suranga experience. Thank you so much. And here is Savita Akka for all the good tasty food. And here is our driver Anna. He brought us here. Rajiv Anna. And he made that cap for me. So on that note, I am signing off now. Really good experience. Totally recommend. Ta-da. Bye-bye. 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 I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode in yet another village in Kasaragod district from northern Kerala. Bye-bye.